Hello guys, Katya's here. So the chapter chosen by Luke also talks about Bill Gates. So in my video I represent the character of Bill Gates, and I criticize his role as a conductor in the current situation with coronavirus. And I also criticize the sheep who blindly follow leading bulls and praised their doings.
So Melinda and I wondered whether providing new medicines In this year's annual letter, Melinda and I take the toughest questions we get asked and give our answers. One that's come up for a long time is, if we make the world healthier, is the population going to get so big that feeding everybody and maintaining the environment is going to be impossible? Here we can see a chart that looks at the total world population over the last several hundred years. And at first glance, this is a bit scary. We go from less than 1 billion in 1800, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.4 billion where we are today is happening even faster. So Melinda and I wondered whether providing new medicines and keeping children alive, would that create more of a population problem? What we found out is that as health improves, families choose to have less children. And this effect is very, very dramatic. We find that in every country of the world, this is repeated. The population